Namaste. I am Kumar Kadimisetty, also known as Magnet Therapist Kumar. I got introduced to magnet therapy due to my father's profession, as he is a pediatrician, and he had several cases of polio during the year 1982 and 83. And though he is a doctor from the modern medicine, he tried his best trying to solve many issues, including polio, with other systems of health, including magnet therapy, Ayurveda, etc. Directly or indirectly, I started getting involved in this magnet therapy from 1983. So that happens to be around 40 years, and I'm still continuing. I have developed many models and upgraded the system, being upgrading the system quite vigorously, and I have so many doctors and patients who are very happy with my kit, and I want to take this therapy to a new level. And in this age of 57, I now started going to college, learning physiotherapy, as I'm in the process of developing a new kit which will help the geriatrics to have a better mobility. Along with magnet therapy, I insist on ahara vihara, that is food and lifestyle change. Without that, we cannot have better relief to the patient. We cannot give better relief to the patient. This is the complete set what you get in the kit. These two are sole pads. These two are triangular pads. This is probe. This one is the adapter. This one is the converter. We have already connected the adapter wire to the converter, and we now connect it to the probe. For issues related to sciatica, varicose, and other circulatory issues, lower part circulatory issues, the probe is to be placed on the navel. The triangle pads are to be placed below the knees, and sole pads to the soles. Welcome to anmolnaturals.com. This is our Anmol Pulsar PEMF Magnet Therapy device, which now comes in a pouch.